What song of yours has the most meaning to you and why? Boy, I wish so badly y'all have heard this new record that I just finished, because it'd be a lot easier for me to answer that question. But hopefully y'all heard the new single that's out. But there's a song on there that that I actually dreamed one night a few months back, several months back now. I actually dreamed it, and I woke up, and this had never happened to me before, and I wrote it down, what I could remember of it, and I sing it into my voice notes on my phone. Anyway, I ended up getting the song finished and writing, and it's called Save Your Shadow, and it's got to be my most personal song that I've ever. No way! I gotta wait till the album comes out. Not a chance. Forget you. But anyway, so you gotta go get the record now. But anyway, it's by far, and obviously for obvious reasons, Came Here to Forget right now is like literally lived that song. I mean, so much. It's unbelievable.